In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix the fitness app not working on your iPhone. Whether it's not working, your data isn't syncing correctly, or you're unable to use it altogether, I walk you through solutions step by step. By default, the fitness app is a fantastic way to monitor your health and track exercise. It syncs best when paired with your Apple Watch for more comprehensive insights. First, always check your connectivity. The fitness app relies on a stable Bluetooth connection with your Apple Watch. Make sure Bluetooth is enabled on your iPhone. I also recommend a quick network reset. Turn on airplane mode for a few seconds, then turn it off. This refreshes your network connection. If the connectivity is fine but the app still isn't responding, try reloading it. Simply swipe up, close the fitness app, and open it again. This reloads the app's code, which can help resolve any glitches. If the app reload didn't work, you can try to force restart your iPhone. Press the volume up, then volume down, and hold the side button until the screen goes black and the Apple logo appears. Release the button when the logo appears and this will perform a force restart. If you're using an Apple Watch, you can also try force restart there. Hold down your crown and the side button at the same time until the Apple logo appears. Next, make sure that fitness tracking is enabled. Go to your settings, head over to privacy and security, and make sure your Apple Watch can use your location. If your fitness data seems off, you may want to reset your fitness data calibration. Find motion and fitness, and reset your calibration data. Software updates are essential for maintaining compatibility and fixing bugs. Go to your settings and type in software update. Make sure your iPhone is up to date. If you're still having issues, you can try resetting all settings on your iPhone. Go to settings and type in reset. You can either reset all content and settings, or you can restart only your settings. Thanks for watching. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tutorials. See you next time.